Okay, guys.
GX.
We're at Pullman Station.
Giant.
This will start up our journey.
Aye.
And this story is called Journey Beyond Scotland. Journey Beyond Soda Party. So, I'll be meeting my friends down here at Berwick, Tristan and stuff like that. You'll actually see Tristan. You'll see my best friends in some of the videos. So, there's a telephone right here. Call it SOS. The journeys go between Haymarket and Edinburgh and Glasgow, stuff like that. Anyway, ScotRail, what we're travelling by, and oh my god, it's 9:05 already. It's because Dad wetted me.
Don't post that on YouTube.
So funny. If also talking mushrooms is watching this, just leave a like to this video. Mind the step. Please mind the step. This isn't a step, but this is very dangerous. Train platforms are really dangerous. Really dangerous. If you fall off, no one is allowed to cross the yellow line. Unless you know. Oh, he is. I didn't like it. Now, there's electric cables for the new electric trains coming. You never knew that, guys. But we'll be getting in Edinburgh. When does our train?
It's 9 minutes past. It's due.
No, it's not. 9 minutes past?
Yeah.
Is that when our train lands?
Yeah.
How long is it?
3 minutes.
Yeah, just 3 minutes, guys. Our train will arrive in 3 minutes. There's a bridge down there. Trains go under it. Just to see how they do. Oh my god, I've got the traffic light in it. It's not any road signs, guys. What it is, a really dangerous railway. Because it's got now electric cables. And some catenary, as you can see there. You may have seen this at Bathgate Station. Hey Mum,
Yeah.
you seen some of this catenary at Bathgate Station? But except this is Pullman. Just 2 minutes till our train arrives. Is that a green light, as you can see? So our train will be arriving in 2 minutes. Exactly 2 minutes. Is that a depot down there? I think I see a bit of blue. I think that's a depot. I didn't really care. I don't think. Okay, when we get on, right? Just 1 minute till our train arrives. Okay, 1 minute.
The next train at platform 1 will be in at 9:09, service to Edinburgh Waverley.
That's our train.
Haymarket and Edinburgh Waverley.
Okay, we'll be getting the 9 to Edinburgh Waverley. That's our train, and our train will be arriving this minute. Our train will be arriving this minute, and it's due to come at this minute, eh?
Did you see it in the
Okay, look along the tracks, guys. Oh my god.
The train arriving at platform 2
It's
is
arriving.
9:12, service to Glasgow Queen Street.
What? Glasgow Queen Street? What? No, that's no Glasgow. It's the 992 Edinburgh Waverley. Oh, stupid announcements. What are they like? Look along the tracks, guys. Think about it. Look along the tracks. You'll see.
There's 2 trains too. Yours should be first.
Oh, Glasgow train's coming in. vehicles. You may not hear me, guys, but here's a very noisy train. Here's our one. Here's Arkin coming in. Let's climb aboard once it stops. When it flashes up.
This is Berwick. This train is for Edinburgh Waverley. The next stop is Linlithgow.
Okay, guys. We'll sit here. Yeah, I'll sit next to the window. Right, that's us on board. Bye bye, Pullman. See you tomorrow. Okay, our train is going. Here's our train going to Edinburgh. Bye bye, Pullman. Now, as you can see, our train's getting so fast right now. Whoa, how fast is our train getting? It's moving right away from Pullman. See you next time.